Welcome back, YouTube. So update on my truck, some mods that I have done already to it. I ended up doing Hellwig's rear sway bar. I'm currently running the stock, well not stock, but the Beltec shocks in the rear. I took it down the PCH, about 70 miles an hour on turns, maybe 60. The shocks aren't good at all for handling. You get a lot of bounce. The rebound's not really very good on it. Adding the sway bar does help a lot. I am running stock shocks in the front since I have drop spindles. I will be doing Beltec coilovers in the front. For the rear, like I said, I got a good deal on this Hellwig's rear sway bar. The dude that I bought it from painted it unfortunately gold. I paid 250 bucks for it. Here it is in the bottom. He painted everything gold and the brackets were red. As you can see, the Beltec shocks are leaking and they don't, I took this one off and it springs back really slow. So technically I'm not really on any shock except the other one that's working. So it does handle a lot better. Like I said, with better shocks you will get a more improved ride on it. As far as it having more control, it is more controlled. The truck does stabilize itself a lot better going through speed bumps. I do have Bilstein shocks, so I'll be putting the extension brackets to run the stock length shock because they don't make a drop shock. The guy was gonna sell me the front and rear setup for I think 400 bucks. I was gonna buy it, but at the same time I decided not to. Reason being is I don't want a super stiff ride in the front. That's why I'm gonna just do the coilovers. I'll do it again right here. So see, this is the front, it shakes a lot. The back more tamed. So as soon as I get the coilovers installed in the front, I'll give you guys a better update. If anybody's wondering if they should install this rear sway bar, yes, it's a big improvement, but like I said, you got to compensate with better shocks because you're not going to get the full benefit out of the install of the sway bar without rear shocks. I'll keep you guys updated on more videos, so hopefully you liked it, and if you got any questions, just you know, hit me with a comment and I'll try to answer it.